The way to make money is changing fast. Let's explore the top 5 new side hustles to make $5,000 per month in 2025. Buckle your seatbelt while you're stuck in traffic. Sarah, a 24-year-old barista, is banking $7,300 a month editing AI videos, and AI does 80 to 90% of the work. Mark from Texas just bought a Tesla, flipping digital products he makes in just 2 hours a day. And you're stuck in the same grind. It doesn't have to be this way. But here's the ugly truth. 90% of side hustles are scams or dead ends. That a passive income guru? He's just selling you a $997 course with lots of hype and fluff. So today we're exposing the top 5 legit side hustles for 2025, ranked by real earnings, and the one red flag that'll save you from wasting time. Hustle number 5 takes just 30 to 60 minutes a day. Hustle number 2 made a single mom $14,000 last month.
But the number 1? It's so stupid simple, you'll wonder why no one else is talking about it. Let's start with number 5, AI video editing. This is how Sarah, the 24-year-old barista, went from making lattes to earning over $7,000 per month. AI tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Sora are revolutionizing video editing. People will pay you $50 to $500 per AI-generated video for ads, TikToks, and faceless YouTube channels. Here's a week-by-week training and timeline to begin to make money from AI-powered video editing. Week 1. Watch free YouTube tutorials on Runway ML and Pika Labs. Learn basic functions and practice on sample clips. Week 2. Start creating 5 to 10 short sample videos to build confidence. Join Fiverr and Upwork. Week 3. Apply to 20+ job listings and send 10 cold emails daily to YouTubers and marketers. Week 4. Land your first paid gig, $50 to $200 per video. The startup cost is quite low, between $0 and $50.
But what if I told you that you don't even need editing skills? Just your phone. Hang on for the number 4, top recommended hustle. Number 4, reselling AI-generated digital products. Imagine creating a digital product once and selling it over and over again. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you create ebooks, templates, and even online courses in a fraction of the time. Here's your week-by-week training and timeline to begin to make money reselling AI-generated digital products. Week 1. Research trending digital products on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Week 2. Use AI tools to create your first digital product. Week 3. Set up your online store and list your product. Week 4. Promote your product through social media and email marketing. The startup cost is quite low, between $0 and $100. But what if I told you that you don't even need to create the product yourself?
Stay tuned for the next hustle. How do you like making money just being your natural self? This is the craze on TikTok for the camera-friendly person.
Next, number 3, the easiest side hustle to start today. TikTok user-generated content, UGC. UGCs are viable for all social media platforms, but are great side hustle moneymaker on TikTok. Big brands will pay $100 to $500 per 10-second video, and you don't need followers. It's someone's product and sample, but your fee and commission. Now your week-by-week training guide. They just want real people using their products. Training is easy, and the tools you need are readily available, often for free. Week 1, study top-performing UGC ads on TikTok and Instagram. Practice filming. Week 2, create 5 sample videos and post them on your TikTok. Week 3, sign up for Billo, join brands, or Incense and apply for deals. Week 4, land your first brand deal. Your earning potential? Between $100 to $500 per video. Now, how many video can AI generate for you per day? As you get better with the AI tools, the more money you could make. Startup cost is between $0 to $50.
UGC is great, and you don't want to see Num1, our top recommended hustle. It's reserved for last. But wait, what if you could make automated YouTube content and let YouTube pay you every month? Up next, cash cow YouTube channels. Number 2, automated YouTube cash cow channels. Imagine making passive income from YouTube without ever showing your face. How? By leveraging AI to create content-rich channels that generate ad revenue. Here's your step-by-step guide to getting started. Week 1, choose a niche. Popular options include finance, motivation, AI, and tech. Week 2, use AI tools to streamline content creation. ChatGPT is perfect for generating engaging scripts. 11 Labs can create realistic voiceovers, and Pexels offers a vast library of stock footage to enhance your videos. Weeks 3 and 4. Upload your first videos, optimize them for SEO, and apply for YouTube monetization. Visualize this faceless YouTube channels bringing in steady revenue, dashboards showing rising ad income, and AI voiceovers sounding just like a real person. It's not just a dream, it's an achievable goal with the right tools and strategy.
And now for the most underrated, high-paying side hustle AI business automation. Now here's number 1, our top pick, the best-kept secret of 2025 AI business automation. Companies pay $500 to $5,000 to automate social media, emails, and sales funnels. Here's how your training schedule would be like. Week 1 to 2, learn Zapier, Make.com, and AI automation basics from YouTube. If this side hustle is your interest, you cannot start without checking out n8m.com. It's the best among the lot. Week 3, set up automation examples and build a portfolio. Week 4, offer free automation to 2 businesses for testimonials. Month 2, start pitching paid automation services, $500 to $1,500 per project. Month 3 to 6, scale to an agency, charging $5,000 plus per month. As you grow and scale, you could have other AI agents work for you on a per-project basis.
Now you know the top 5 side hustles for 2025. Which one will you start? Share this video to motivate someone now. Subscribe for more money-making ideas.